Due to earlier problems using RC2 on the Neo, getting myself being accepted as a person subject, I decided to test once more. I am simply drawing a square, selected in Spotlight as normal, and then I click ActiveTrack, and this time it works. So I try once more, now from behind. Okay, not a person subject. Even turning around, still not a person subject. Going farther away and select all my body as subject, then it's accepted. I try once more just with my upper body, and now it's accepted. Then I do the simple thing. I activate focus track. Then I'm accepted straight away. I'm trying to walk straight to it, and then it's actually still following me. I try activating ActiveTrack from a bit far away and get the message that I'm too far away. 16 meters seems to be the limit. Now let's see if I can change the height while I'm still doing the follow mode, or actually the ActiveTrack. Okay, there's a limit here as well. 1.5 meters is, or seems to be, the limit. Now do the same going up. And it seems like the limit is 6.5 meters. Using RC2 with Neo and using ActiveTrack, the ActiveTrack does only do follow, so it only follows from back, nothing else.